One of the first things I do with induction is I just set this thing up, right? So this is going to be connected to a power supply, and I put an iron core in there so that it works pretty well, right? And then this side here is actually going to be connected to our galvanometer that's behind us here. And you can put this under the dock cam, right? And you can show that these guys are not electrically connected, but they will be inductively connected, right? And then, you know, the early on they just thought that basically a steady magnetic field stuck inside a coil would generate an EMF or make a current flow, right? If current makes a magnetic field, then a magnetic field would make current, right? And so they did something like this, right? They turn it on, and let's try a little bit of current here. Then they look at it and they think, oh, nothing happening, right? Let's try a little less current. Let's try a little more current, right? And you just sit there and make this joke, right? Because you look at it after you make the adjustment. And of course, it's only changing when I change it, right? So now we have 0 amps, now we have 1 amp. Now we have 0 amps and 1 amp. And we have 2 amps and 1 amp and 2 amps and 1 amp, right? And you can see the needle changes only when the needle moves only when you're changing the voltage. That's sort of the point, right?